Well, this is another flight for today I'm setting up. I did a tap fly earlier where you set up waypoints and the drone flew every one of them and returned like it should have. But I keep losing my camera connection, and this has been going on last several times that I've flown the Hollystone 700D. I'm trying a different phone to see if that'll make any difference, but we'll see. And I'll be joining you outside here shortly. We'll see what happens.
You don't know?
I said I know.
I know you know.
I'm
No.
going to turn my strobe lights on. Just hold it for a second. I'm not going to forget the strobe lights this time. If there's a faster.
Sugar.
Okay. Strobe lights are on. Let me make sure the motor's good. Okay. Alright. As you can see, I'm not forgetting to turn the strobe lights on. I think one of them has, the red one I think has run down. You try it. Try to turn it on again. Yep. Alright. Anyway, I should, now that red one is low. The green one will probably be dying soon too. I've never had to charge them yet. This will be the first time. Trying to do both cameras, fly the drone and use this camera. Alright. I don't have it in right now. I'm going to try downloading video straight to my phone and see how that works. I lost the video. The last flight, it didn't film anything, completely blank. I see it. I see it. Yeah, I got it. I gotta put the other battery in it. I don't know. It'll stop. Ah! Monster! Monster! Well, it got back down. I almost crashed it. don't know if that's going to be on the drone camera or not. I've been having problems with the drone camera. But I got another battery inside. We'll fill it one more time and we'll check it out. This car is out tonight.